Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a motorcycle. Before you even think about starting the engine, familiarize yourself with the basic controls. Locate the clutch lever on the left handlebar, the front brake lever on the right, and the throttle grip. Your right foot operates the rear brake, and your left foot manages the gear shifter. Always prioritize safety by wearing a DOT-approved helmet, protective jacket, gloves, and sturdy footwear. To begin, turn the ignition key, ensure the engine kill switch is set to run, and confirm the transmission is in neutral, usually indicated by a green light. With the clutch lever fully pulled in, press the starter button. As the engine idles, slowly release the clutch while simultaneously applying a small amount of throttle. This smooth coordination is key to a gentle start. To shift up, roll off the throttle, pull the clutch, shift with your left foot, then release the clutch and roll on the throttle. Effective braking is crucial for safe motorcycle operation. For most situations, you'll want to use both the front and rear brakes simultaneously. The front brake provides approximately 70% of your stopping power, so it's your primary brake. Apply it progressively, squeezing the lever rather than grabbing it abruptly. The rear brake helps stabilize the bike and contributes the remaining 30% of braking force. Practice smooth, controlled stops in a safe environment to build muscle memory. Cornering smoothly is a rewarding aspect of riding. As you approach a turn, look through the curve to your exit point. Your bike tends to follow your gaze. At lower speeds, you'll lean the bike into the turn. At higher speeds, countersteering, where you briefly push the handlebar in the opposite direction of the turn, initiates the lean. Always maintain a safe following distance and scan for road hazards like gravel or potholes. Stay alert and enjoy the ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.